So, welcome inside. This house is just way too dark and I need your help to lighten it. Right, Diana? We'll make this happen. You're amazing, Vanessa. So this is the master bedroom. We've got wallpaper throughout, which will be painted over. But technically the mirror can stay. This one can be a recessed light. Doors can be white. Lots of wallpaper. Picture, the tile is actually pretty cool. And here's the master. Ta-da! Curtains also match. Pretty awesome. Okay, king size bed and a dresser and accent chair. The view must be spectacular. Wow. And then curtains down up to the cool deck. What do you think?
I love it. I like the plan.
Well, what is the plan?
The plan is to do whatever you tell us to do.
I like that.
Fingers are all over that. Everybody agree?
Everyone in agreement?
Everybody agrees?
I second
agree?
the motion.
Okay.
All right, good.
Hi, Vanessa. Congratulations. Yeah, so as you can see here, this is my latest listing. So it looks like this home needs a little love. It does, I know. You know, generally I only do $3 million listings and above. I heard about it. Yeah, I know, this was easy. So I figured I'd take it on. Thanks for having me here. So what do you want to do here? So it looks quite old, as you can see. And I'm thinking maybe you can suggest things like, you know, light fixtures, wall paint, and flooring. It does look a little outdated, but I know I can help you spruce it up. Just, you know, keep it on the cheap. You know, like the stuff that you do that are so cheap and cheerful, yet look designer. So we can pick out reasonably priced items, you know, that's what I do all the time. So do you have a floor guide? No, I don't. No problem, I can suggest one. Fantastic. So what are you gonna do in terms of painting? I don't have a painter either. I can recommend a painter too. You're the best, Vanessa. I try. So what do you want to do with these window treatments? Let's take them down. I feel that it's a little bit dark. I do agree with you. This house is just way too dark and I need your help to lighten it. No problem there. We'll know what to do. So Diana, do you have a handyman? Yeah, I'll bring in a handyman, but if you know a good one, let me know. Yeah, I can suggest a good handyman. How about a cleaner? Yeah, I can suggest a cleaner as well. She's really good. You're amazing, Vanessa. So we're gonna take all the window treatments down to bring in a lot of natural light. I like that idea. So I'm not sure where I can't imagine where the dining table would go. Oh yeah, so this room has dual functions, so you can have a living room and a formal dining in this space. Here's the living room. It's sunken and it's one great space. What do you think we should do in here? I love this room. It's quite spacious, but I know we can brighten it up. So let's get some drapes down, get a new nice light in, and maybe paint and get new flooring. So, oh, okay, so this area here must be the breakfast nook then. So yeah, let's change out this light fixture and get a new clean, bright one in. I love this space. It's perfect as a breakfast nook. And actually, this space is the breakfast nook. Let's change up the lighting, update the room a little bit, and make it look brighter. How about this family room? Look at this amazing view. So I'm gonna create a sitting area here. It's gonna be warm and cozy with a fireplace, yet at the same time not obstruct the amazing view. I can see that. So now we step down to the hallway, Vanessa. So take a look. The rooms are sizable. And this first bedroom here down the hall, I'm thinking of having it as an office. Well, there's only 3 bedrooms here, right? So I would suggest the first bedroom being an office, David. With COVID and people working from home, I think a dual function is going to add more value to this space. You make a good point. So how about this second room now? You see here they have a queen size bed. So I'm thinking maybe though, because I want children to be in this home since it's a single family home, how about a twin bed? Well, a twin bed would definitely fit in this ample sized room, but how about 2 twin beds? Okay, I see what you mean. All right, well, you know this best, so let's walk down to the bathroom. So as you can see, this bathroom here could use a little help. Yeah, it's a little bit outdated, but I think if we change up the light fixture, that will really help. Let's go down to the master bedroom. Oh wow, it's nice and big. I love this. Look at the view. Well, I was thinking maybe a queen size bed. Well, a queen size would fit, but I recommend a king because it's wide enough to accommodate a nice big bed. Oh, okay. All right. That's how much I know about staging. Well, let's make this room to scale. So furniture we bring in, Diana, will always be to scale with the space without looking overcrowded. All right, thank you so much, Vanessa. So Vanessa, don't forget to ask the crowd to subscribe. Thanks everyone for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and we'll see you at the next property. Bye. What do you think? I knew it. You're the best, Vanessa.
It's true. That's why I'm here.
This is my latest listing.
Congratulations. Oh, and I can't talk like her. Congratulations, Diana.